Hey everybody, so this is going to be day 2 of the airbag install. I'm going to try to put it in at one video, but I went to the store. I had to wait for the rest of the stuff to come in, so basically I still was waiting on the compression kit and the tank, but since I had all day to do nothing, I went to the store and I bought some wood flooring, and I did that. So we have something to bolt the compressor and the tank down, and yeah, I bought a lot of stuff. Bought a lot of toys, honestly. Tonight I will not be receiving any help from anybody, so I'm going to try and do as much as I can. This is where I plan on putting the cables and hopefully the air hoses. We'll go down along the side here, and yeah. Yeah, this is going to be interesting because I'm not very good at doing this kind of stuff on my own, if you haven't noticed. And it's going to be, hold on. Shit. Hold up. Already screwing up. Yeah, access to that firewall is not very convenient. But we're gonna try. Yeah. Hey, what's up everybody? So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a quick update on where I'm at. Right now I've got the wire that goes into the fuse box pulled through the firewall, and then I've got the positive and negative wires that actually power everything in the back through the firewall. Next, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and get this connected to the right fuse. I gotta look at the instructions, find out which one it is. Yeah, it's dirty. And then I'll probably connect the positive and negative, something kind of like this here, so it's not connected to the actual battery. Sorry. So I might connect them to like the negative to here, and I'll connect the positive to maybe one of these, just to piggyback off of it, so I don't have to actually connect it to the battery, unless it's supposed to be connected to the battery, where I'm going to do that anyway. So I'll show you guys real quick. I went ahead and I've got this off, so I'm going to route those lines down through there, this line through there, and then I'm probably going to tuck most of the power behind this panel right here. I still have to, damn, if the light was on, I was like, the battery's out. I still got to drill holes through the bottom of the trunk to get those air hoses through. I haven't gotten to that bit yet. All the power stuff is back here. You probably can't even see it. But yeah, so obviously this goes to that, and that goes to that, and this goes to that. So oh, let me show you guys everything. I haven't unboxed the tank yet, but this is all the stuff. Yeah, everything. And then my iPad is right here, or my iPod. So that's pretty cool. I'm probably gonna stick this up into the glove box and only take it out when I use it, and mostly use when I need it, and mostly use my phone for everything. But there's the diagram. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to it. Next time I get to another checkpoint, I'll let you guys know. Okay guys, so I feel like I'm doing a lot better than I thought I would. I ran the air lines from the back of the car to the bags up front and the rear. So here's the front left, right here. This isn't like exactly where everything's gonna be. Front right. This is just kind of like getting everything hooked up. I gotta figure out how to a lot of people said they've been tucking their shit here, but I don't know how that's gonna fit. I might pull up the carpet or something. I don't know honestly, but everything's going back here really nice, and I think a lot of the bullshit will be stored right here. Haven't gotten to any of the wiring for the pumps and everything yet, but I did order some food, so either I'm gonna continue working on this tonight, or it'll be sunny tomorrow the next time I see you guys. Destroyed. If you guys want to see how this came out, ignore that. I posted a picture of it on my Instagram at STURNER53. So if you guys want to check that out, well, I mean, I guess it won't matter because the video will be done. You'll see it. But anyways, check it out anyways. Check out the Instagram. So yeah, I mean, Airlift was pretty cool. Let me show you guys what they sent along with the kit. So if you guys order a kit, you'll expect the same thing. I got a bag for my bags, and then I got a license plate cover thingy border. They sent me a t-shirt, so I've got a t-shirt, so whenever I am finally on bags, I'll be able to wear that. Let's see what else they said. I got a lanyard, kind of cool, makes me look like a VIP at a car show. And then in here, this little thing, they sent some stickers. I already pulled the top off. Let me see. Bag riders. Some more. And then it looks like a big sticker here. Oh, wow. Yeah. A big sticker for the car, too. Without any transfer tape. Oh, no. That's just really weird transfer tape. But, yeah. It's a cool little care package I got for, you know, the mess that this car is at the moment. Look at this garage, dude. Got tools over there. You got boxes, donuts, crap, more crap, some more crap, some more tools, and then my coils. So it's been fun. It's so nice to have a garage because then I can do shit like this. But I'm gonna go get some food, and I'm gonna give it like a 10% chance that I'll be back out here tonight. Depends on how full I feel. But thank you guys so much for sticking around up to this point of the video. And yeah, that's pretty cool.